If you find this song familiar,
Hai ba con mực, anh yêu em cực.
then yes, it has become viral on TikTok and other social media platforms for recent weeks. And it is also a remade version of a very famous remix of a Canadian producer. So let's find out about this on this episode of Bitu on the Spot.
Recently, the author of the hit 2 3 Little Squids has spoken up about his song being accused of fully steal the beat of a remix produced by Eugene Tsai named This Is America, I Guess. The song 2 3 Little Squids went viral just after a few days of release. And by that unprecedented famousness, the song received attention from the original author of the mix. Specifically, he commented on the song's YouTube video, stated that just because you put idea from doesn't mean you can completely rip off my beat from my remix. The song then got removed by YouTube afterwards. Explaining on his social media, Ling Thoi, the producer of 2 3 Little Squids, stated that initially he just wanted to make a song for his lover and he didn't imagine of it going viral. He also admitted his lack of professionalism and apologized the original producer for his fault. He also negotiated with Eugene to put this song back with all the copyright claim procedures being conducted. However, there seems to be some people who do not agree with this action. Some says he intentionally stole the beat from This Is America, I Guess, to make his own song, hoping that people won't find out, but he's wrong. And if the song is made for his lover, then why putting it to social media in the first place?
Vậy còn bạn, quan điểm của bạn về vấn đề này như thế nào? Hãy comment ngay phía dưới cho Bitu cùng biết nhé. Còn bây giờ thì xin chào và hẹn gặp lại trong những tập tiếp theo của Bitu on the Spot.
Bitu, talk the way you like.